Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana and this is the Exam Clouds channel. In today's video we'll learn how to install Java correctly. Installing Java consists of 4 main steps. First, we need to download the JDK package, the Java Development Kit, and install it. Then, add the Java Home System variable and also update the system's path variable. Let's start by downloading the JDK. You can simply type Java download right into Google. We are interested in the result from the Oracle website. Java downloads. Let's go there. We go on to the Oracle page. Oracle is the company that holds the rights to Java. And here we can download any version we want.
At the time of writing this video, the current version of Java is 26, but the long-term support LTS version is 25, so it is recommended to download and install this version.
You select your operating system, Linux, macOS or Windows. I will choose Windows. Here you have several options. I will choose the executable file and I simply click and download it. After the file downloads, I just click on this executable file. After that, I get this window appearing. Welcome to the installation wizard for the Java Development Kit. And then, practically everywhere, I just click Next. Here you can choose a different directory for installation. By default, it's in C, Program Files Java. I'll leave it as it is. I click Next, and then the installation of Java proceeds. In the status, we see copying new files. Finally, it's almost all ready. Here I just click Close, so Java is already installed on our computer.
Let's look at the directory where Java installed. Usually it is Program Files, Java, and here we see our JDK version 25. Also, you see here that I have 21, 22 and 23rd version, which are installed previously. So, what we did, we download and install JDK. Our next step is adding Java Home and update path variables. To do it, let's open System Environment Variables window. Here we press Environment Variables. And here in lower window, we need to create new variables. We press New and write here Java Home in uppercase with underscore. And here we should paste path to our directory with installed Java. So we are pasting it and pressing OK. Here we need to update path variable. We press Edit. This window contains other variables. We don't touch them, just create a new row. We press New and write here Java Home /bin. And it's better to put it up. Then press OK and here again OK. Now we can verify that Java was installed and configured correctly. We can do it in Command Prompt window. Let's open it. And here we can type Java version. If everything is okay, we will see a message like this.
And now the Java installation is definitely complete and you can start writing programs in Java. This was the Exam Clouds channel. Subscribe to it, like the video, and don't forget about our website examclouds.com. Goodbye everyone.